Welcome to Artistic Documentation. Modern marketing technologies, like artificial intelligence and customer relationship management systems, enhance this power through personalization, enabling brands to tailor messages to individuals based on their preferences and behaviors. Personalized emails, targeted ads, and curated product recommendations make consumers feel understood, which increases engagement and sales dramatically. The third pillar of marketing's power is reach. Unlike traditional business models of the past that relied heavily on local visibility, modern marketing allows even small startups to achieve global exposure. Digital platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and TikTok have democratized access to audiences, allowing any brand with a compelling message to reach millions with minimal cost. Paid advertising on these platforms provides advanced targeting options that go beyond demographics, focusing on user interests, browsing behavior, and even purchasing history. This precision ensures that marketing budgets are spent efficiently, with maximum ROI. Search engine marketing, for instance, allows businesses to appear at the top of search results for specific queries, while social media ads can retarget users who visited a website but didn't purchase. These retargeting campaigns are among the most powerful tools in digital marketing, keeping brands visible until the consumer is ready to buy. Additionally, influencer marketing extends reach through trusted voices, people with established credibility and loyal followers who amplify a brand's message authentically. When done right, influencer collaborations blend seamlessly with organic content, increasing trust and driving conversions more effectively than traditional ads. Beyond visibility and reach, marketing plays a critical role in differentiation, setting a brand apart in a crowded marketplace. Today's consumers are spoiled for choice, and without differentiation, even the best products struggle to survive. Marketing helps businesses define and communicate their unique selling proposition, the distinct value that makes them stand out. Whether it's superior quality, sustainability, innovation, or customer service, marketing translates those strengths into stories that resonate with target audiences. Branding, which is a vital subset of marketing, gives products identity, personality, and meaning. Through design, messaging, tone, and visual consistency, marketing shapes how customers perceive a business. A strong brand presence ensures recognition and loyalty, leading to repeat purchases and word-of-mouth referrals. Moreover, the power of marketing extends to customer engagement and relationship building. Today's consumers expect two-way communication, not one-way promotion. Social media marketing enables brands to interact directly with customers, answering questions, responding to feedback, and building a sense of community. This engagement fosters trust and humanizes brands, making them approachable and relatable. Marketing also plays an essential role in customer retention through loyalty programs, personalized offers, newsletters, and after-sales engagement. Repeat customers not only generate consistent revenue but also act as ambassadors, advocating for the brand within their own networks. The power of marketing also lies in its ability to adapt. Markets evolve, trends shift, and technologies advance, but marketing evolves with them. Data-driven marketing allows businesses to track every click, view, and purchase, making it possible to adjust strategies in real time. Analytics and insights reveal what's working and what's not, ensuring that every decision is evidence-based. This agility makes marketing more powerful than ever, allowing businesses to pivot quickly in response to changes in consumer behavior or market conditions. For example, when the pandemic hit, many businesses used digital marketing to transition online, maintaining revenue streams even when physical stores closed. The adaptability of marketing ensures business continuity and resilience in uncertain times. A key strength of marketing is its role in storytelling and emotional connection. People remember stories far more than facts, and great marketing leverages this to create lasting impressions. Storytelling makes brands memorable, gives them depth, and allows audiences to connect on a human level. Thanks for watching. I hope you would like to join our private group and community.